The digestive system starts off with mastication. Mastication is the act of chewing. This physically breaks down your food. Saliva, which pre-exists in the body, adds water and salt to the food, making it easier to swallow. Amylase is Amylase is a mixture of mucus and salt that is in saliva. It helps break down carbs like bread or starch. The donut then goes through the esophagus, a passageway from the mouth to the stomach. Peristalsis is a contraction and relaxation of the muscles that moves food through the digestive tract. It goes through the cardiac sphincter, a valve between the esophagus and stomach, and it then enters the stomach, the organ where most of the digestion of food occurs. Gastric juices in the stomach help digest food. Chyme is a mixture of gastric juices and food. Chyme moves to the small intestine through the pyloric sphincter, which connects the stomach and the small intestine. The small intestine is where 95% of digestion occurs. The pancreas is the gland behind the stomach. It controls the environment by secreting enzymes and producing digestive enzymes. The enzymes produced are proteases, lipases, and saccharidases. The proteases digest the protein in the donuts, like the eggs. The lipases digest the fats, and the saccharidases digest the carbohydrates. The liver is a large gland sitting above the stomach and produces bile, which aids in the digestion of fats. The gallbladder stores the bile, which is secreted in the first section of the small intestine. The chyme then enters the large intestine and is eventually eliminated. Nutrients are passed through the walls of the small intestine. The intestines are surrounded by villi. They're like tiny hair-like things on intestines. Well, they make absorption easier. Carbohydrates are absorbed first along with the proteins and then the fat later. Nutrients provide nourishment are needed for daily bodily functions and growth. Osmosis: after the body has absorbed the vital nutrients, the body goes through a process of osmosis. Osmosis allows our body to absorb nutrients in the intestines and eventually cells.